Dual foil head cutter bar. Flexible foils move with you, providing a more comfortable shave. Our advanced foil pattern provides smooth shaves. Lithium-Ion Power, featuring 120 minutes of runtime with a charge time of 1.5 hours, plus a 5-minute quick charge for 5 minutes of power. Compact size. The compact size and ergonomics of this electric shaver make it the ideal option for looking your best while traveling and at home. Hold down the power button and the travel lock will engage to keep your unit safe during travel. What's in the box? This kit comes with a foil guard that protects the foils from accidental damage when not in use, a cleaning brush for removing excess shaved hairs, a power cord to charge your shaver, and an instruction book. A smooth shave every time. Wahl clippers, trimmers, shavers are available in a variety of styles to meet your home haircutting needs. From lithium-ion cordless rechargeable clippers to heavy-duty corded models. Loud proud. The Wahl compact lithium-ion shaver kit uses a very powerful rotary motor that delivers nearly 10,000 cycles per minute to the cutter head. This results in a very strong audible hum, but is completely normal to its operation. Don't settle for a weak shaver. Top reviews from the United States. Love this shaver. I hated daily shaving with a razor. This shaver is fast, efficient and is more than adequate as a quick daily shaver. It cuts close enough without any irritation. I would recommend it to others.